Yeah, how's everybody doing today, man? Sheldon Frost here, the Frostman 21. How to start investing with $100. Real steps, real broker, no fluff. Let's go. Step 1. Open a broker. Robinhood, Fidelity, Schwab, Webull, all free. All let you buy fractional shares. Pick one. Open the app. Step 2. Fund it. Deposit $100. Set up auto deposit. $10 a week. Consistency beats timing. Step 3. Buy an index fund. Your first buy. The whole S&P 501 fund. 500 companies. One purchase. VOO is $6.81 a share. With fractional shares you buy $50 worth. Now you own a piece of America. Step 4. The rules. Rule 1. Don't sell on red days. Rule 2. Keep buying every week. Rule 3. Don't check it daily. Step 5. Let it grow. The S&P averages 10% a year. $100 plus 10 a week. In 10 years, over $8,000. That's compound interest. Money making money. Time is your biggest advantage. Start young. Start now. Here's the move. Open a broker. Fund 100. Buy for auto deposit weekly. Don't touch it. That's the whole game. Start today. Frost out. Position sizing. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Set your stop the moment you enter. This is not financial advice. Educational content only. Do your own research. Trade at your own risk. If you guys like this content, follow, subscribe. Throw me something in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Happy trading. Happy investing. See you Monday at 9:30. Come hang out.